Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all well. Now I am going to talk about some names, some characters, some name of places which are a little bit confusing and unknown to you from Basti by Intijar Hussain. The main two characters, dear students, are Jakir and Sabira. Jakir and Sabira. Jakir is the hero and Sabira is the heroine. Then apart from Jakir and Sabira, there are other important characters, names of some places, and some names which have been mentioned in this novel and are difficult to be understood. These things I am going to clarify in this video. Abbajan. Abbajan is Jakir's name for his father. Abba is something like dad. Jan is a title appended to kinship terms to show intimacy or affection. Abul Hasan. Abul Hasan, a rich merchant's son who was betrayed by his friends and who therefore vowed to seek out and entertain only strangers. Ali. Ali is the Prophet's son-in-law, husband of Fatima, and father of Hassan and Hussein. He is deeply venerated and is often referred to by epithets like the chosen one and the lion of God. Aligarh, a small city which is situated southwest of Delhi, site of famous Aligarh Muslim University. Ambala, a city of North Delhi in modern Haryana, close to Punjab border. Ammi, 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 Jakir's name for his mother. Ammi is something like mom. Amritsar, the Indian city located right across the border from Lahore. Anarkali. Anarkali is Lahore's most famous old market. It is filled with a maze of tiny lanes where almost anything can be bought. Appearance here has something new meaning. The emergence of the hidden Imam from the concealment, an apocalyptic event awaited by Shiites. The Shiite community believe this, that Imam will come out, and that is called appearance. Ayyub dictatorship. The military government, Ayyub dictatorship refers to the military government headed by General Ayub Khan of Pakistan which seized power from the civilian government in the year 1958 and ruled until Ayub was deposed by General Yahya Khan in 1969. Baba Farid, an affectionate way of referring to Sheikh Farid Uddin Ganj Sakar, the great 12th century saint and mystic of North India. Baba Farid. Then Bhagwanpur, a place, a neighborhood in the northeast part of Lahore. Bahadur Shah. Bahadur Shah is the last Mughal emperor. He used the pen name Jafar in his poetry and was forced to live as a British prisoner in Rangoon. During the rebellion of 1857, he was made titular head of the rebel. Court politics then led to the replacement of Bakht Khan, the most effective general of Bahadur Shah Jafar, by Mirza Mughal and Mirza Ghaus, two of Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar's useless sons. Bakht Khan was the general or most effective general of Bahadur Shah Jafar. Basic democracy. This terminology implies to the democracy of Pakistan. It is a multi-layered system instituted by Ayub regime in the year 1959, in which only the bottom layer, consisting of thousands of representatives called basic democrats, were directly elected. The system was presented as a non-political one for achieving rural education and uplift. Batul. Batul is Khalajan's real name. Khalajan, Zakir's Khalajan. Bhishma. Bhishma is famous character in Mahabharata. Bai Amma, Zakir's name for his paternal grandmother. Bai is a short form of Bibi. Amma means mother. Bibi, a polite form of address for a woman. Birvani, an Indic folk tradition, a woman who has been killed by witchcraft and whose spirit is used by the witch for magical purpose. Brahmaji, in Hindu mythology, the world creator. Bulandshahr, a city east of Delhi on the road to Aligarh. Chacha Jan, Zakir's uncle. He is Zakir's father's younger brother. Danpur. Danpur is a town in Bulandshahr district in Uttar Pradesh, the home of Zakir's great uncle. Data Ganj Bakhsh, Data Ganj Bakhsh is a famous 11th century saint and mystic. He was buried in Lahore and considered to be a patron of the city. Dulhan B. Dulhan B is Sharifan's name for Ammi Jan. referring to her as the bride she was when she came to the house long ago. Dupatta. Dupatta is a very long, wide, lightweight skirt worn by women. It was draped over the shoulders and bosom, and sometimes over the head as well, with two ends often hanging down in back. Immigration. Immigration here refers to, in this novel, immigration refers to the 1947 partition of British controlled India into two states, India and Pakistan. This immigration caused many Muslim families like Zakirs to leave their old homes on Indian side of the line and cross the border into new Muslim nation of Pakistan. For this experience, they use the religiously meaningful word hijrat, which evokes memories of the Prophet's journey from Makkah to Medina. Fakir. Fakir means a Muslim ascetic, usually a solitary wanderer, living on the voluntary gifts of the pious. Fatiha. Fatiha is a verse of the Holy Quran. The opening chapter of the Quran is called Fatiha. It means the revealing or the opening. It is traditionally recited over the graves of the dead. Fatima. The prophet's daughter, the last prophet's daughter, and wife of Ali and mother of Hassan and Hussein. 57. 57, this two-digit number indicates 1857, the year of the famous desperate rebellion in the North India against the British power. Frontier Mail. Frontier Mail was a famous train that used to run between Bombay and Amritsar. Gamal Abdel Nasser, his Egyptian president, who took responsibility for his country's 1967 defeat by Israel and resigned from the presidency. Ghalib. Ghalib is Mirza Asadullah Khan Ghalib. He was one of the two greatest classical Urdu poets. He lived through the siege of Delhi in 1857 and saw its terrible aftermath. Gwalior, a city south of Agra in northern Madhya Pradesh. During British era, Madhya Pradesh was considered to be or called Central Province. Hakim, a respectful title for practitioners of traditional Islamic medicine. Hakim Nabina, a famous early 20th century Hakim of Delhi. He was blind. Nabina means blind. Hare Bhare Shah. Hare Bhare Shah was a popular saint whose tomb is in Delhi near Jama Masjid. Hassan. Hassan was the older brother of Hussein. He had already died before the battle of Karbala took place. Hazrat, Hazrat is a title expressing veneration, generally used for religious personages. Hazrat Sajjad, a respectful title for Jainul Abidin, a son of Hussein. Howrah Express. Howrah Express was a famous train that used to cross North India from Calcutta to Delhi. Humayun's tomb. Humayun's tomb is an elaborate monument in Delhi where the second Mughal emperor Humayun is buried. Hookah, dear students, you are familiar with this word hookah, is a form of pipe with a large stationary bowl in which tobacco is burned, a curved tube to pass the smoke through, water to cool it, and a mouthpiece on a long flexible hose that can be passed easily from hand to hand. Hur, a general sent out against Hussein by his Umayyad enemies, but he fought on Hussein's side instead and was one of the first to be martyred at Karbala. Hur. Then Hussein, the son of Fatima and Ali, thus the Prophet's grandson, last Prophet's grandson, he was murdered on the field of Karbala by political opponents who refused to recognize his right to succeed to the caliphate. Eid. Eid is the greatest Muslim religious festival following a month of dawn to dusk fasting. On this feast day, families visit with their neighbors. Eid is pronounced to rhyme with Eid. Imam, a reverent title given to Hussein and to certain of his successors, venerated by Shiites. The title is also used for certain prominent religious personality and for someone who leads the prayer in mosque. Imam Bara, a religious building used as the destination of procession during Muharram and as the site of Majlis gatherings. Imperial, Imperial is a large Western style hotel in Lahore, well known during the colonial era but no longer in existence at present. Iqbal, Sir Muhammad Iqbal, who was born in the year 1877 and died in the year 1938. He is the greatest Urdu and Indo-Persian poet of the 20th century and was also a philosopher and a statesman. He began as a secular nationalist but later called for the formation of Pakistan. Iklima, this daughter of Adam and Eve, is not mentioned in the Quran and occurs only in certain Muslim folk tradition. Iklima. Jabir bin Abdullah Ansari, one of the Prophet's companions during his stay in Medina. Jehanabad, a name for that part of the old city of Delhi which was built by Shah Jahan. Jallianwala Bagh, an episode, Jallianwala Bagh, and a place where a massacre was committed of innocent people in the year 1919. Jama Masjid, the magnificent Delhi mosque, also occasionally used for important public assemblies. It was built by Shah Jahan in between 1627 to 58. Janmashtami, a popular Hindu festival that celebrates the 8th day after Lord Krishna's birth. Jhansi, a city in Uttar Pradesh north of Gwalior, it was annexed by the British in the year 1853 when its king died childless. His widow, the famous Rani of Jhansi, armed herself as a warrior during the rebellion of 1857 and died heroically fighting the British. Kabuli Gate, a gate in the northwest part of the all around the old city of Delhi, facing toward Kabul. Kalima, the Muslim profession of faith. There is no God but God, and Muhammad is the prophet of God. In another way, there is only one God. There is only one God, and Muhammad is the last prophet of God. It is recited on many occasions, some associated with death. Kanunbala, a film star of the 1940s, famous for her songs. Karbala, the battlefield in Iraq on which Hussein and his small band of followers were killed in 680 by the forces of their political rivals, the Umayyads. It is the site of the greatest religious importance to Muslims, especially Shiites. Fields used for Shiite religious purpose, like the one near Rupnagar, which seems to be enclosed by a wall. Karbala are sometimes piously given. Karbala is considered to be a very pious place. Karnal, a small city of North Delhi in modern Haryana. Khakis, soldiers of the British controlled Indian army of colonial times were called Khakis. Khalajan is Zakir's maternal aunt, Tahira and Sabira's mother. Tahira and Sabira. Khan Bahadur uncle, Zakir's late uncle, his father's older brother. Khan Bahadur is honorific title awarded to him by the British. Khilafat movement was started in the year 1922 in India. Brindavan is situated near Mathura. Lord Krishna used to remain there. As he grew older, he played his flute and danced seductively in the forest with the village girls, especially during the rainy season, which is always a romantic time in South Asia. Soon afterwards, he left Vrindavan forever. He is thus an archetypal elusive lover. Laila, the most famous beloved of Perso-Arabic story tradition, although her family forced her to marry another man, she never became his wife in real sense. She kept faith all her life with her true lover Majnun. Liaquat Ali Khan, the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, holding power from 1947 until his assassination in 1951. Lorraine is a restaurant in Lahore, but no longer in existence. Layalpur is a town in Pakistan west of Lahore. It is now called Faisalabad. Medina, the city in Arabia north of Makkah, to which the Prophet made his emigration and which he used as a base of operation during the latter part of his life. To Muslim, it is almost sacred as Makkah itself. Mahabharata, a great Sanskrit epic poem, one of the source of Hindu story tradition, it culminates in a terrible battle on the field of Kurukshetra near Delhi, in which Pandava brothers, led by Yudhishthir, won the kingdom back from his cousins. Bhishma, the uncle of both sets of cousins, dies on the battlefield, pierced by so many arrows that they form a bed for him, While laying mortally wounded on this bed, he gives the Pandavas many final words of advice. Majlis, a gathering. Majlis is a gathering in which Shiite Muslims remember and mourn the death of Hussein and the events in Karbala. The person who delivers the elegiac oration at such a majlis is called Jakir. Majnun, the most famous lover of Perso-Arabic story tradition, he went mad when his beloved Laila was married to another. From then on, he wandered in the wilderness, singing to Laila and undergoing torments in the name of love. He thus earned the epithet Majnun or madman. Mall Road, the main street of the westernized part of Lahore. Maulana, a respectful term for man of religious learning. It is applied to Abbajan by his friends. Maulana Muhammad Ali. Maulana Muhammad Ali was one of the most important leaders of Khilafat movement, who sought to shore up international Muslim unity by restoring the power of the Khilafat. At one point, Muhammad Ali supported Ibn Saud of Saudi Arabia in his fundamentalist program of demolishing the shrines and the tombs of some of the Prophet's companions on the grounds that these had become overly important in popular Islam. Maulavi are clerics or Maulana. Meerut is a city northwest of Delhi and it is in modern Uttar Pradesh. Mem Sahib, a title compounded of Ma'am and Sahib, used for English ladies. Mir Taqi Mir was one of the greatest poets of the classical Urdu ghazal tradition. Ghalib was the other. Moradabad, a city east northwest of Delhi in modern Uttar Pradesh. Mount Kaf, an Islamic story tradition, the mountains that surrounds the edge of the world. It is inhabited by jinns and other non-human species. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was the chief architect and the first Governor General of the new state of Pakistan. Muharram, the first month of Islamic calendar. Munir Niazi, a well-known modern Pakistani poet who lived in Lahore. Munsi, a polite term for educated, respectable person. Najaf, the city of Iraq where Ali lies buried. It is much venerated for that region. Nandi, the bull. In Hindu tradition, Nandi is the mount on whom the great ascetic god Shiva rides. Narmada is a river that flows throughout the southern part of Madhya Pradesh into Gujarat. Nawab Hazrat Mahal, the wife of the Nawab of Awadh, who was deposed by the British in 1856. She participated in the rebellion of 1857. Nazir, Wali Muhammad Nazir Akbar Abadi was a popular Urdu poet, known for his use of Indic and Hindu themes along with Perso-Arabic and Muslim ones. Om Santi Santi Santi. Om is a sound that expresses the vibration of the cosmos, and Santi means peace. In Hindu tradition, phrases like these can be repeated over and over to induce a meditative state. Gita ends with these words. Pakiza, a romantic melodramatic, extremely popular film which was produced in the year 1971. Partition. The partition indicates the partition of India in the year 1947. People. This is a tree and considered sacred by many Hindus. It is often associated with temples and shrines. Prince Firoz Shah, a grandson of Bahadur Shah, Rabia of Basra, a famous 18th century female Iraqi saint and mystic. Rahul, the Buddha's sons, who in folk tradition became a monk. Raisina, a small village set on a hill which eventually became part of New Delhi. Ramchandraji, this indicates Lord Rama. Ram Nam Sathe, the name of Ram is truth, a phrase often chanted by Hindus as they bear a corpse to the burning ground. Rasidul Kahiri was an extremely popular writer of melodramatic domestic novel about female character. Ravan, the hundred-headed demon king who was killed by Lord Rama. The Ravi is a river that flows through Lahore. Red Fort, the famous fort and place in Delhi, built by Shah Jahan in between 1627 to 1658, from which Bahadur Shah ruled until he was deposed in the year 1857. Roopnagar, the imaginary town in which Zakir is born and spends his childhood. It is located somewhere in northwestern Uttar Pradesh. The nearest large city seems to be Bulandshahr. Roop means beauty, form or shape, and Nagar means city. Sabo, diminutive form for Savira. The name Savira means patient, enduring. Sadora, a small town near Ambala, whose residents are considered to be stupid. The town of Kursi near Lucknow has similar reputation. Sahib, a polite form of address. Savitri, a wife famous in Hindi story tradition for her absolute devotion to her husband Satyavan. Savitri and Satyavan, this story, dear students, you are very familiar with. Scooter taxi, a three-wheeled vehicle like motorcycle in front with a second canopied seat between its near wheels that is wide enough to hold two passengers or more than two passengers. Dear student, it is just like modern day auto. Shahnama, the Persian national epic written by Firdaus. Sheikh, a title generally given to descendants of the Prophet's companion. Descendants of Prophets himself are called Sayyids. So dear students, these are the very important names with which you need to be familiar with, and go through these names, and short questions will be asked generally from these areas, from these words. Thank you, good boys. Enjoy reading.